What does source intelligence do to make automation work, not just sound impressive?
The secret to automation is knowing the systems and the users and what information is necessary to be transmitted and to be compellingly advocated and processed in the systems of record. So for instance, let's take a traditional design. If you're trying to create a new product that can deliver some of the value proposition of part reuse, savings, various capabilities that will allow you to shift your evaluations left in the design process, you're going to want to know the part numbers. You're going to want to know the supplier names. You're going to want to know descriptions of those parts and have the capability to render the verdicts, leverage AI automation to collect the necessary data, perform the processing, and then to communicate that verdict upstream to the users that will most benefit from it, specifically the engineering and the supply chain sourcing teams.